Are you struggling with sugar cravings that hit hard at night or right after meals? It's not about willpower, it's your body signaling a deeper imbalance. These cravings often come from unstable blood sugar, stress hormones, poor sleep, or even your gut bacteria that's running the show. Today, I'll break down the real causes behind these sugar cravings and share natural, science-backed fixes that work fast to calm those urges. If you've ever felt powerless against your sweet tooth, this video will give you the exact tools to take control naturally and permanently. Let's get real. Sugar cravings don't just happen. They're usually the result of something deeper that's out of balance. If you're constantly craving sweets, especially after meals or late at night, your body's trying to compensate for something. Here's what could actually be driving it. Number 1, blood sugar swings. If you start your day with carbs or coffee and no protein, your blood sugar spikes and then crashes. That crash triggers cravings. It's your body begging for quick fuel. Number 2, stress hormones. Cortisol can raise your appetite for sweet, salty, and fatty foods. If you're constantly up under pressure, your body's looking for sugar as a coping mechanism. Number 3, lack of sleep. Even one bad night of sleep can throw off ghrelin and leptin, the hormones that control hunger and satiety. And when those off, sugar always looks more tempting. Number 4, gut bacteria imbalance. Certain strains of bad bacteria and yeast literally feed on sugar. When they overgrow, they send signals to your brain to keep the sugar coming. It's not willpower, it's biology. Number 5, emotional reward loops. If you trained your brain to associate sugar with relief, relaxation, or celebration, those neural pathways are strong. Cravings become automatic, not intentional. Understanding what's driving your cravings is the first step to shutting them down naturally and permanently. Next, we'll look at how to fix this without relying on willpower. Here's one of the simplest fixes for sugar cravings, and almost no one's talking about it. Eat more protein and healthy fat. Sounds obvious, but most people are way under eating both, especially in the first half of the day. And that's the big reason the cravings hit hard later. Here's why this works. Protein slows down digestion and keeps your blood sugar stable for hours. It gives your brain the amino acids it needs to regulate mood and satiety, especially tryptophan, which helps with serotonin. If your meals are low in protein, your brain doesn't get what it needs and sugar becomes the backup. Healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, and grass-fed butter support hormone balance and satiety. They signal to your body that it's full and helps to quiet down the reward centers in your brain. This combo of protein plus fat helps your body feel nourished, keeps insulin stable, and shuts down the blood sugar roller coaster that leads to cravings in the first place. And get this, one study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that high-protein meals reduce late-night snacking by up to 60%. It's not about willpower, it's about feeding your body what it actually needs so it stops begging you for sugar. Now, here's the part that most people skip, but it's where the real sugar freedom comes from. Cravings aren't just about food. They're also tied to how you live, how you rest, and how you manage stress. Let's hit the 3 biggest hidden triggers. Number 1, poor sleep. One bad night can reduce leptin, your I'm full hormone, and increase ghrelin, that's your I'm hungry hormone. That combo means one thing, sugar cravings the next day. The fix, aim for 7 to 8 hours of real sleep. No screens 30 minutes before bed, dark room, and a cool temperature to help reset your natural rhythm. Number 2, chronic stress. When your cortisol is high all the time, your body stays in survival mode, and survival mode craves quick energy. It's a biological response, not weakness. The fix, start your day with 5 minutes of stillness, even if it's just deep breathing or sitting quietly. Also, don't skip meals. Stable blood sugar helps to buffer stress. Number 3, dehydration. Mild dehydration can disguise itself as hunger, especially sugar cravings. And if you're drinking a lot of coffee or energy drinks, that only makes it worse. The fix, start your day with a big glass of water and electrolytes. Add some sea salt or sugar-free electrolyte mix if you're fasting or eating low carb. Cravings can get louder when your body is under-recovered and under-resourced. Fixing these hidden triggers turns the volume down, sometimes overnight. If you're wondering why your gut hasn't healed yet, my 7-day carnivore gut reset will show you exactly what's holding you back. It's free to download, just check the link in the description. Here's a wild fact most people never heard. Your cravings might not even be coming from you. They could be coming from the bacteria in your gut. Let me explain. Your digestive tract is home to trillions of microbes, and they communicate with your brain through something called the gut-brain axis. When you eat a lot of sugar, you feed certain types of bacteria and yeast, like candida, and they thrive on sugar. And just like anything living, they want to survive. So they send signals to your brain to eat more sugar, cravings that feel real and urgent, even if you're full. This isn't just theory. Studies have shown that gut microbiota can influence eating behavior and even mood, pushing you toward foods that support their growth. So, how do you break the cycle? Step 1, crowd out the bad guys. Start adding more fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, or kefir if your body can tolerate them. These introduce healthy bacteria that help rebalance your gut. Step 2, feed the good guys. Eat prebiotic-rich foods like garlic, onions, leeks, and asparagus. These are fuel for beneficial bacteria that support your gut lining and reduce inflammation. Step 3, go low sugar temporarily. Even a short sugar detox, just 3 to 7 days, can start to starve out the bacteria and yeast that are driving cravings. That's often all it takes to take back control. Remember, when your gut is balanced, your brain gets clearer and your cravings calm down. It's not about eating less sugar, it's about making your body stop asking for it. This might be the most underrated solution for sugar cravings and is backed by science. A lot of people who crave chocolate or sweets aren't just craving sugar, they're actually low in magnesium. Magnesium plays a huge role in regulating blood sugar, supporting insulin sensitivity, calming down the nervous system, and reducing stress-related cravings. And here's the thing. Roughly 50 to 60% of people are deficient, especially if you drink coffee, deal with stress, or have a regular workout routine. All of these burn through your magnesium stores faster. Here's how you can fix it. Number 1, add magnesium-rich foods like dark leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and dark chocolate with at least 85% cacao or higher. And here's a bonus tip. That chocolate craving might just be your body asking for minerals, not candy. Number 2, consider a supplement. Look for a magnesium glycinate or a magnesium malate. These are forms that absorb well and are easy on digestion. Avoid magnesium oxide. It's cheap and mostly just acts as a laxative. Number 3, take it at night. Magnesium helps calm down the nervous system and improve sleep quality. And better sleep means fewer cravings the next day. One study in the Journal of Research in Medical Science found that magnesium supplementation reduced insulin resistance and improved blood sugar control in just 8 weeks, especially in people with high cravings and low energy. So if sugar feels like it's controlling you, this one mineral could put you back in the driver's seat. Now, let's put everything into a simple daily routine that you can actually start following today. You don't need to overhaul your entire life. You just need a routine that keeps your blood sugar stable, supports your gut, and calms down the brain chemistry that's driving cravings. Here's how to build it. Number 1, start your day with protein and fat within an hour of waking up. Get at least 20 to 30 grams of protein, add some healthy fat like avocado, olive oil, or butter. This combo keeps blood sugar stable and prevents cravings from even starting. Number 2, stay hydrated. With minerals, drink at least 1 liter of water before noon and add a pinch of sea salt or sugar-free electrolytes. This supports energy, reduces false hunger signals, and improves insulin sensitivity. Number 3, eat real meals. No grazing, stick to 2 or 3 real meals instead of snacking all day. Grazing keeps insulin elevated, which increases cravings. Every meal should include protein, fat, and easy to digest fiber. Number 4, magnesium in the evening. Take 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate or malate before bed. It helps you sleep better, manage stress better, and reduce nighttime sugar cravings. And number 5, commit to a 7-day low sugar reset. You don't need to quit sugar forever, but you do need a break. Cut out processed sugar, sweet drinks, and desserts for just 7 days. Your gut bacteria will shift, your cravings will drop, and your brain will stop screaming for the next hit. This daily routine creates a biological environment where cravings don't just take over. And once your body stops asking for sugar, you realize it was never about willpower. You just learned that sugar cravings aren't simply about willpower. They're driven by deep imbalances in your gut health, blood sugar, and hormones. Fixing these hidden triggers is the key to lasting freedom from cravings and better energy every day. If you want a clear step-by-step plan to support your gut and crush cravings, grab my free guide, 7-Day Carnivore Gut Reset. The link's in the description below. It's packed with gut-friendly strategies, meal tips, and daily actions to make this easier than you think. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. We've got more no-fluff videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.